Hello students of standard 10. Already we have discussed about the refractive index. Now I shall tell you the numericals regarding refractive index. That is exercise 4a. Before going to say the exercise 4a, remember the formula first. Refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum or air by speed of light in that medium. This means mu equal to c by v. C means speed of light in air, v means velocity or speed of light in that medium. Now number 1. All of you look at your book. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in glass. The refractive index of glass is 1.5. Refractive index of glass is equal to speed of light in air by speed of light in glass. So what is given the refractive index? 1.5. Now what is the speed of light in air? 3 into 10 to the power 8 by speed of light in glass. Therefore speed of light in glass is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 1.5. 1.5 and 3, it is cancelled, so 2 will come. 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is number 1. Now all of you see number 2. The speed of light in diamond is 125,000 km per second. What is the refractive index? Within brackets, the speed of light in air equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in diamond is equal to 125,000 km per second. You change into meter per second. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This means 125 and 6 zeros meter per second. If you put the decimal points after 1, so 1.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This means, you see, look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This means decimal point comes after 8 digits, so it is 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now speed of light in air is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Thus refractive index equal to speed of light in air by speed of light in diamond. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 1.25 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8 cancel. 3 divided by 125 by 100, that is equal to 3 into 100 by 125 by 25 4 by 25 5. 3 into 4 12, 12 by 5, that is 2.4. You know that refractive index has no units. Thus refractive index equal to 2.4. Now all of you look at number 3. Number 3. The refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 by 3. What is the refractive index of air with respect to water? Mu WA. This means water with respect to air. Mu WA, water with respect to air, is equal to 4 by 3. What is asking? The refractive index of air with respect to water is equal to 1 by mu WA, that is 1 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 4, that is 0.75. This means the refractive index of air with respect to water is 0.75. Now come to number 4. A ray of light of wavelength 5400 angstrom suffers refraction from air to glass, taking mu Ga, I mean refractiveness of glass with respect to air is equal to 3 by 2. Find the wavelength of light in glass. We know that lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. We will use that formula. So what is given here? Lambda, I mean wavelength. Wavelength lambda, that is equal to 5400 angstrom. Mu is given 3 by 2. Mu Ga, glass with respect to air, is equal to 3 by 2. Lambda dash is asking, I mean the wavelength of light in glass, that is lambda dash is asking. That is question mark. So lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. Remember this formula. Lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. 5400 divided by 3 by 2. That is equal to 5400 into 2 by 3. 3 and 5400, it is cancelled. 1800 into 2, that is 3600 angstrom. So this is question number 4. Now we will move to exercise 4b. For this, you remember a formula. Delta mean equal to, I mean minimum deviation equal to 2I minus A. Minimum deviation, delta mean equal to 2I minus A. I means angle of incidence, A means angle of prism. This is the basic formula of this exercise. Delta mean equal to 2I minus A. What is delta mean? Minimum deviation. What is I? Angle of incidence. What is A? Angle of prism. Now, I shall tell you number 1. Number 1. A ray of light incident at angle of incidence 48 degree on a prism of refracting angle 60 degree suffers minimum deviation. Calculate the angle of minimum deviation. That is delta mean is asking. So I means angle of incidence is 48 degree. A angle of prism equal to 60 degree. Delta mean equal to 2I minus A. 2 into 48 degree minus 60 degree. That is 2 into 48, 96 degree minus 60 degree. That is equal to 36 degree. Thus, minimum deviation, angle of minimum deviation is 36 degree. Now question number 2. What should be the angle of incidence for a ray of light which suffers minimum deviation of 36 degree through an equilateral prism? We know that the angle of equilateral prism is 60 degree. Angle A equal to 60 degree. I is asking, angle of incidence is asking. Minimum deviation is 36 degree given. Angle A is 60 degree. Since it is a equilateral prism, so angle of prism is 60 degree. Delta mean equal to 2y minus A. This is the basic formula as I told you. Delta mean means 36 degree equal to 2y minus 60 degree. So 2y equal to 36 degree plus 60 degree. That is 96 degree. Therefore, the angle of incidence equal to 96 degree by 2, that is 48 degree. Once again I am saying you, I or angle of incidence, that is 48 degree. Okay. So this is the exercise 4b. Thank you all.